What do we have here? Another cannon. Here's the one I was screwing around with for y'all in earlier videos. You know, I shot the rocket out of it. And a 25 caliber steel BB. This one I only pushed 2 firecrackers worth of explosive charge. This time I've got 3 firecrackers worth, and added a little bronze piece to add a little bit of resilience so the hole doesn't get all wide like that. I just hope it doesn't shoot out of there. I had to hammer it down into there. The target is 2 kiwi fruits are starting to get a little soft. And then I got that steel can behind it once again. And behind all that, I have a dirt mound. I'm a little nervous, right? 3 firecracker charges. I guess I'll just run over there once I light it and turn around. Hopefully I can get a good shot of this thing shooting. And if it doesn't shoot, then I'll be mighty ashamed or mighty embarrassed or, you know, whatever. Next. Yeah, I think that shot. Wow, man. Wow, these little mini cannons. Holy. Hey, it didn't go through the can though. It made a big dent. Made easy work of those kiwis, so. Got mosquitoes attacking me from all angles. Look at that. No problem. Alright. Here you go, insects. Whatever else might be living out here. Enjoy some kiwi. It's on the house. Oh, no, I lost the pen. I was afraid that was going to happen. But everything else seems to be in working order. Right. Have a good one.